Let's review your YouTube channel. Today's mini YouTube review is for Latosca Asberry, and the thing that I love about your channel is that you are using the featured sections. This gives you an opportunity to show specific playlists and make sure that you're taking people to the exact right video that they're looking for when they visit your channel. So I absolutely love that. I'm Elise Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Let's jump into my tips for your YouTube channel. Tip number 1 is to use the video spotlight feature to introduce yourself and your channel to your audience. What this looks like is when you come to a YouTube channel, there will be this very first video here. And this is the video spotlight. And so you're not currently using this on your channel, and I know that because the first thing that is here is your For You section. But my tip is for you to use this section. And the way you're going to get to that is you're going to go into studio.youtube.com, you're going to go to customization, and the video spotlight is this very first section in the layout tab. There's actually 2 videos here. One of them is your channel trailer, and this is going to be for people who are not subscribed. So this is usually going to be an introduction to your channel, an introduction to what you do. Talking about who you are and what your channel has to offer them is what you're going to want to put here. And then the second video is called the featured video, and this is for returning subscribers. So your video spotlight will only show one video, but depending upon if they're subscribed or not, it'll show you one of these. So for returning subscribers, you're usually going to put a piece of content that's already doing well, or potentially your newest piece of content, or a piece of content that you want to have everybody see. One strategy is to have these 2 be different videos. Alternatively, you can actually upload the same video to both of these, and no matter whether they're subscribed or not, they would always get your intro video about your channel and what you do. So that's my first tip for you, is to use the video spotlight section. If you'd like me to audit your YouTube channel, comment for a chance to be the next mini YouTube review, or click the link to get a full YouTube channel audit. My second tip has to do with the question that you asked in the Fearless Business Owners Facebook group. You said, your channel is growing, your videos are getting more views. How can I make my channel more attractive? I would like information to be displayed during my lives, and I would also like information on how to put up a background for my videos. Thanks. And so in answer to this, I want to recommend that you use a streaming service like OneStream, and I'll put a link to OneStream here in the description of this video, because it's going to allow you to do things like have tickers, overlays, media, and I'm going to show you what some of those are, but there are a lot of features that OneStream gives you. This is going to allow you to stream to YouTube and other platforms. So for example, Facebook or Instagram or wherever else you might want to live stream, you can do this to multiple places. So here are some of the features that you can do to make your videos, even while live streaming, look better. You can include a ticker, which is what you see here at the bottom of mine. So I use reach your people, teach them, and close the sale, because that is my tagline. That's what I talk about all the time. That's my entire goal for using video for your business. So you can use tickers. You can use overlays, which is what this is. And I like using overlays when I'm going to be doing a video because it allows me to use like a thumbnail like image and have that at the beginning. So especially on somewhere like Facebook, whatever is at the beginning of your video is going to be what's going to show. And so by using this, that means that my video is going to have that thumbnail look that you always get on YouTube, but it's going to happen on Facebook. And so that's why I like using overlays. This is something you can easily turn on and off, and that makes it so that they can see you or not. And then another feature that I really like to use is media. So like I have a countdown that I'll put up sometimes if I start the live stream before I'm actually going to go live. I like doing that because it means that people can all get on and we can start on time. So these are some options that you can use. And again, this will be live streamed directly to YouTube or whatever other platforms that you're using. And so this is going to make it so you have the option of making things look a little bit nicer. And that was one of the main things that you were looking for in your question that you asked in the Facebook group. Join us in the Fearless Biz Owners Facebook group for help with your YouTube journey and to share your videos Monday through Friday in a dedicated thread for critiques and praise. My final tip for you is to download your live streams and edit them, remove pauses and places where you had to think for a moment, and make it more succinct, because that's going to help you hold attention longer when it comes to your videos. And so taking these live streams and turning them into a video where you do keyword research and you create your thumbnail and all of those good things and uploading that as a video is actually going to make it so that that content that you created lasts longer. Because on YouTube, lives are great, but they are not the thing that's going to last forever. the thing that's going to continue to bring you people over and over again so that you can reach your people, teach them, and close the sale is going to be your videos. Videos are searchable, and that is what makes YouTube so powerful. So leaning into the search power of videos is where you're going to really start to see this impact your business on the long run. So advantages of live streams are going to be that you're more comfortable there. It's something that you're used to doing. Of course, on some platforms, lives are given preference. So Facebook in particular, this is very true. And of course, they allow you to broadcast to multiple platforms if you're using a service like OneStream. So doing lives is definitely a great way to go. And I know it's something that you're particularly comfortable with, but taking those lives and editing them and making them real videos is going to get you more bang for your time buck. So those are your 3 tips. Number 1, use the video spotlight feature. Number 2, use a streaming service like OneStream. And number 3, take those lives, edit them, and repost them as videos. For those of you looking for a deeper dive, join the YouTube cohort for personalized help, where I will walk you through step by step how to use YouTube as your number 1 source of leads and sales for your small business. To sign up, go to myschedulebiz.com/cohort. I'm so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day, and I hope to see you next time.